Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name is Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at working with Frozensets in Python. Basically, what I want to do here is on our website, we went and we wrote out all the operations you can perform on a Frozenset. But for us to cover that in a video, you guys would fall asleep and I would not want to do this anymore. So what we're going to do is save us all some time and look at the operations we cannot perform on a Frozenset. And there's only a few of them. All right. So if we took a set, the sets we're just learning about, and a Frozenset and compared them to each other, what's the difference? There's one difference. There's one single difference, and that is a set is mutable and a Frozenset is immutable. All right, so that means a Frozenset cannot grow or shrink, or it's not dynamic. All right, it's once it's set, it's set. Now with a set, we can make it grow, we can shrink. The set, now the objects inside the set have to be immutable, but we're not going to focus on that now. But the set can grow and shrink. Frozenset cannot grow and shrink. So what operations do we have between a set and a Frozenset that are different? All right, and that is the ones that make it grow or shrink. All right, so for example, Frozensset doesn't have an add method. Set does have an add method where it will allow us to add an object on the end of it. Remove method, Frozenset doesn't have it. Set does. It will remove an object. Discard method, Frozenset doesn't have it. Set does. What else? What am I forgetting? Clear method, Frozenset doesn't have one, and a set does. So let's just take a look at all these just to prove what I'm saying, and we'll do Frozenset. All right, and here's our Frozenset, and we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Close it out. Call it. There we go. There's our Frozenset. Now, if I do a.add and I want to add 5, add Frozenset object has no attribute add. Okay, sweet. All right, so we cannot add things to a Frozenset. How about let's say clear. Let's do clear a Frozenset. Hit return. Frozenset has no attribute clear. How about remove? A.remove. Frozenset object that doesn't have remove. All right, so anything that's going to make a Frozenset grow, shrink, and be dynamic, it's not going to work. All right, now we can use all the other methods we looked at, like difference, symmetric difference, union. We can loop through a Frozenset. We can check if a Frozenset's a proper Frozenset, or if it's a superset or a proper superset. All right, so there's a lot of things we can do. There's a few things we can't do, and it all has to do with add, discard, remove, and clear. And I think that's all of them. So these 4 methods we cannot use on the Frozenset, where the rest of the methods that we learned about in the set section you can use on the Frozenset. So if you guys have any questions about what you can do with the Frozenset and what you can't do with the Frozenset, let us know. Otherwise, you guys are good to move on to the next tutorial section where we talk about dictionaries. Have a lovely day.